So I have pasta, I have coconut cream, I have some sardines, I've got onion, I've got garlic, and I've got some tomato paste, and I have 30 minutes to whip up dinner. So let's do this together. So I want to start like talking while I cook. I don't know if I can do it because my house is always noisy, but anyways, we will do it. Let's just figure it out. So first and first, I'll be boiling the pasta until it's 50% done before I start making the sauce. First, the pasta is it's made with drum meat, so it's a little bit tough. It doesn't cook so fast. Okay, it takes time to cook because it's made with 100% drum meat. So let's see what we can do in 30 minutes.
So I don't know how to hold the camera because when I hold that, sorry, I don't know how to hold the microphone. Because when I put the microphone on me, it tends to get different types of noise that I don't really understand. So that's why I think I need the other microphone that you just paste here that looks like it's like a disc. Yeah, I think I'll get that. I'll invest in that. But let's see how we can manage this one. So first thing first, let's boil the water. Some top tier about what?
So let's work on the onion while the water for the is boiling. Chop, 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 chop. Pasta is cooking. Let's do the dishes that never end. I don't know. Dishes never end in my house. You showing me now?
Yes.
So why not waiting on the pasta to cook before making the sauce? Let's do the dishes that never ends. Dishes never ends in my house. So let's do the dishes together. Take the light from me. Dishes never end. They are new every morning. Yeah. Off it. The pasta is 80% done. We can start working on the sauce. This I'm using sardines. I'll be using the oil to fry the aromatics like the onion and the garlics. Next, we'll go in with the onion and the garlics. Next is the tomato paste. Coconut cream. So good. It tastes. Some chili flakes for that kick. Some leftover beef, so I'll add it. I don't want it overly spicy, but I want it just right. So I'll be adding some of my chili flakes. Not so spicy, so that my kids can enjoy it. Wow, what? I should make it spicy. So creamy, delicious. Let's make it pretty. There you have it. Dinner under 30 minutes. Guys, I make the best meal. Don't worry. The creaminess, the coconut cream, the sardines, everything. Just so good. My kids are about to have a good time tonight.